I'm angry as a mother. I'm angry as the prosecutor. I'm angry as a person that lives in this county. I'm angry.
That was the Oakland County prosecutor announcing those charges against Jennifer and James Crumbley hours ago. TV5's Trevor Sahaki has more on the exact timeline leading up to the mass shooting at Oxford High School and why the prosecutor feels parents need to be held responsible. Trevor?
Meg, in a press conference today, Oakland County prosecutor Karen McDonald laid out how 15-year-old Ethan Crumbley's parents bought him a gun, didn't address warning signs at school, and in the end, neglected to keep the community safe. As McDonald said, it's rare for the parents of a school shooter to be charged, but in this case, the facts were shocking.
We need to do better in this country. We need to say enough is enough. For our kids, our teachers, parents, for all of us in this community and the communities across this nation.
After filing charges against the parents of the suspected Oxford school shooter today, Oakland County prosecutor Karen McDonald explained why James and Jennifer Crumbley were charged with 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter. According to the prosecutor, James Crumbley bought the gun with his son 4 days before the shooting. Monday, the day before the shooting, a teacher caught the suspect searching ammunition on his phone during class.
Thereafter, Jennifer Crumbley exchanged text messages about the incident with her son on that day, stating, quote, LOL, I'm not mad at you. You have to learn not to get caught, end quote.
McDonald said Tuesday, just hours before the shooting, Crumbley and his parents met with school administration about drawings another teacher found on his desk. They included guns, bullets, bleeding people, and the words, "My life is useless," and "The world is dead."
The notion that a parent could read those words and also know that their son had access to a deadly weapon that they gave him is unconscionable, and I think it's criminal. It is criminal.
The Crumbleys resisted taking their son home from school that day. At 1:22 that afternoon, Jennifer texted her son, quote, Ethan, don't do it. 11 students had already been shot.
These charges are intended to hold the individuals who contributed to this tragedy accountable and also send a message that gun owners have a responsibility. When they fail to uphold that responsibility, there are serious and criminal consequences.
The prosecutor said when James Crumbley heard about the shooting, he called 911, reported the gun missing from his house, and said his son might be the shooter.
Michigan's laws are woefully inadequate. We don't have a safe storage law. We're not legally required to store your weapon in a safe manner.
McDonald said the gun shop that sold the weapon is not under investigation, and neither are any school officials.
Any individual who had the opportunity to stop this tragedy should have done so.
In a statement today, Michigan Attorney General Dana Nessel said she supports the charges and, quote, demanding accountability of a child's parents under the circumstances presented is not just appropriate, it's crucial. Meg?
All right, thank you, Trevor. And Oxford Community Schools Superintendent Tim Throne posted a YouTube video yesterday addressing the school community. He made a point of emphasizing that the student arrested did not exhibit behavior prior to the shooting that required punishment at school.
No discipline was warranted. There are no discipline records at the high school.